Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do November mid-month reading for the sign Cancer, water sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Cancer, let's see your recent past. Energy could be vice versa, so take what resonate and leave the rest. Cancer, your recent past. Chariot, Ace of Cups, Ten of Swords. Lot of reading also got this card. For some there is some cycles, there are some cycles are going to be end between you and your person, and rebirth, some new beginnings already started in recent past. Definitely there are some new beginnings for some cycles are ended between you and your person. Definitely there is love between both of you. Ace of Cups, love is overflowing, and Chariot, there is very slow movement, still there is movement. It is the positive sign. Yeah, you or your person could be Cancer also, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So I am getting some new beginnings already started between you and your person. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Cancer, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. I think you both want to work on this relationship right now. There is a partnership between both of you. In past, there is no partnership. And Nine of Pentacles with Seven of Cups. Even the one person have options, and one person in this connection is emotionally independent, financially also independent. But one person have lot of options in this connection. Let's see some more. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy. Ten of Wands, Two of Wands, the Magician. Yeah, one person in this connection is manipulative maybe. Even though they are in this connection, they are in relationship with you, they are seeing also other option, the Magician. For some there is no partnership and there is no collaboration between both of you. That's why for some there is no contact. I think Cancer, you are working on yourself, you stand by your power. But one person in this connection feeling overburdened, Ten of Wands, and thinking about the other person a lot. For some there is no contact or separation between both of you. They are manifesting, they're trying to manifest their person back. I think you got to know that your person seeing other options, that's why you walked away. And you stand by your power, you working on yourself, there is self-love. But now your person want you back. For some, take what resonate. They're thinking about you a lot, they realize your worth, they are manifesting you back. So let's see. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, a lot of fire energies here. Let's see your person current feelings and the near future action, then we will get more clarity. First, see your person current feelings towards you, Cancer. King of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, King of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. I think your person not expressing their feelings to you, even though they have feelings for you. King of Pentacles. For some, your person right now working on their career and finances. For some, worldly few. For some, your person want to offer stability to this connection. They're thinking about this, but they're having hard time to express their feelings to you. King of Pentacles with Four of Pentacles. Definitely, they are having hard time to express their feelings. King of Pentacles means long-term commitment. Definitely they are willing to offer long-term commitment and stability to this connection, but they are unable to express their feelings. They are having hard time. They are thinking about you a lot. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career and finances. For very few, but major of you, definitely your person want to work on this relationship. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Your person near future actions towards you. Sorry. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, your person near future actions towards you. Five of Cups, Four of Wands, High Priestess. Yeah, they are feeling very, very sad. They are missing you so much. Yeah, definitely they are feeling very, very sad. Five of Cups, for the separation which has happened between both of you, or there is no contact. Definitely what was happened between both of you, they are feeling very, very sad. Five of Cups, and they want this happiness with you. Four of Wands, celebration with you. Definitely they want reconciliation with you. They want to work on this relationship. This time they are listening to their higher self. The High Priestess means listening to intuition. Definitely this time your person listening to higher self. Definitely they are missing you so much. They want this happiness with you. They want to work on this relationship, but they are having hard time to express their feelings to you. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship now. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energies here. Or Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. As Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Cancer. Yeah, see? Wow, the Sun card. Nine of Cups from this deck. Judgment, strength. Yeah, you both wishing for this connection. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. Judgment, definitely you both are going to make some major decision regarding this connection. I think some positive outcome will come in this connection, because the Sun card is here, the major arcana in the deck. And the strength, definitely you both are strong couple. You both stand by your power. One person in this connection could be Leo also. Judgment, yeah, some major decisions, some reconciliations. Definitely your person having hard time to express their feelings, but they want you back, because they're missing you so much. Five of Cups, and they want celebration with you. Now your person listening to their higher self. Cancer, I think major of you there will be reconciliation, because these connection cards, definitely Nine of Cups with Sun card, definitely your wishes are going to be granted. You both, what you are wishing for, definitely that will going to be granted. And the Judgment and the strength, definitely some major decisions you are going to be made. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Cancer. Four of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Nine of Swords. Definitely you are also not happy for the separation between both of you. Energy could be vice versa. You also feeling anxiety and depression for some time. I am getting, because Nine of Pentacles, you overcome already this energy, then you will become defensive. And Four of Swords, you are also undergoing some healing. Definitely you are overcoming this. You already overcome this pain. Yeah, you are undergoing some healing process now. Right now I think you are not talking to your person. Definitely your person will approach you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Knight of Swords, Six of Wands, and Eight of Wands. Yeah, communication. Definitely you will receive some communication from your person, and definitely they want to communicate you. And in their life also there is some major changes will come your person's life. And Knight of Swords, definitely they are rushing towards you very, very fastly. And Six of Wands, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely Six of Wands means success. They want success with you, and they want success in this connection also. Yeah, your person want reconciliation with you. They are missing you so much. Five of Cups with Four of Wands, they want you back. So it's up to you to give second chance or not, Cancer. Definitely they want you back, but they are having hard time to express their feelings. Give them time to express their feelings, because they will open up eventually. Yeah, Four of Pentacles is here. definitely. So they will open up eventually. Definitely, they want to work on this relationship. They want to offer stability. They want celebration. They're missing you so much. So this is the reading for your Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.